Starting with Medicare may feel confusing at first. You are not alone. Many people worry about making the right choices. This guide will help you understand Medicare in simple steps. Medicare helps millions of older Americans with health costs. It is a big step in your healthcare journey. Knowing what Medicare covers can save you money and stress. We will break down each part of Medicare. You will learn what is covered, what is not, and how to pick what you need. By the end of this guide, you will feel ready to make smart decisions about your coverage. Let's get started. Most people get Medicare when they turn 65. Some get it earlier if they have certain disabilities or kidney failure. You can sign up for Medicare 3 months before, the month of, or 3 months after your 65th birthday. This 7-month period is called your initial enrollment period. If you already get Social Security, you may be signed up automatically. If not, you need to apply yourself through Social Security or the Medicare website. Missing your first chance to sign up can cost you money later. It may also mean gaps in your health coverage. Always check your sign-up dates and ask questions if you are not sure. Medicare Part A helps pay for hospital stays. It also covers care in skilled nursing facilities, hospice care, and some home health care. You do not pay a monthly premium for Part A if you or your spouse paid Medicare taxes while working. There are costs, like deductibles and coinsurance, if you use these services. Part A does not cover things like long-term care in a nursing home, private nursing, or most personal care. If you are admitted to a hospital, Part A is the part that helps with those bills. Be sure to know what is covered before you go in for care. When it comes to managing your health as you get older, understanding your medical insurance options is crucial. One of the most important parts of Medicare is Part B. Medicare Part B is designed to help pay for doctor visits, outpatient care, and a wide range of preventive services that help keep you healthy and catch problems early. This means that whether you need to see your primary care physician for a routine checkup, or you have to visit a specialist for a specific concern, Part B can help cover those costs. Preventive services like screenings for cancer, diabetes, and heart disease are also included, so you can stay on top of your health without worrying about the expense. In addition to doctor visits, Medicare Part B covers many other important services. This includes lab tests, such as blood work or urine tests, which your doctor may order to monitor your health or diagnose a condition. If you need durable medical equipment, like wheelchairs, walkers, or oxygen supplies, Part B can help pay for those as well. Some home healthcare services are also covered, such as skilled nursing care or physical therapy provided in your home, which can be a huge relief if you're recovering from surgery or managing a chronic illness. To receive these benefits, you pay a monthly premium for Part B. This premium is a regular payment that you make each month, and it's important to budget for it as part of your overall healthcare costs. The amount you pay can depend on your income, but most people pay the standard premium set by Medicare each year. The standard premium amount for Part B changes every year, so it's a good idea to check your annual statement or official letters from Medicare to stay informed about any updates. Keeping track of these changes can help you avoid surprises and plan your finances more effectively. In addition to the monthly premium, most people also pay a share of the cost for services. This means you may have to pay co-payments, which are small fixed amounts for each visit, or coinsurance, which is a percentage of the cost of the service. These out-of-pocket costs can add up, so it's important to understand what you might owe before you receive care. However, it's important to know what Medicare Part B does not cover. For example, it does not pay for routine dental care such as cleanings or fillings, nor does it cover vision services like eye exams for glasses or hearing aids. If you need these services, you'll have to pay for them yourself or look into separate insurance plans that offer this coverage. Another important limitation is that Part B does not cover most prescription drugs you take at home. If you need medications on a regular basis, you'll need to enroll in a separate Medicare Part D plan, which is specifically designed to help with the cost of prescription drugs. When you first become eligible for Medicare, you have the option to sign up for Part B. You can choose not to get Part B if you have other coverage, but be careful. There are important consequences to consider. If you decide to delay signing up for Part B and you don't have other qualifying health coverage, you may have to pay a late enrollment penalty. This penalty is added to your monthly premium and can last for as long as you have Part B, making it more expensive in the long run. For this reason, most people choose to enroll in both Part A and Part B when they first become eligible. Together, these are known as Original Medicare, and they provide a solid foundation of coverage for your healthcare needs as you age. Taking the time to understand your options now can help you make the best choices for your health and your budget in the future. So, let's talk about Medicare Part C, which is also called Medicare Advantage. This is an alternative way to get your Medicare coverage, and it's become increasingly popular among seniors in recent years. Instead of getting your benefits directly from the government through Original Medicare, you can choose to enroll in a Medicare Advantage plan, which is offered by private insurance companies that are approved by Medicare. These plans are designed to provide you with all the coverage you'd get from Original Medicare, but often with some added perks and features. These are private health plans that are approved by Medicare. The government pays these insurance companies to manage your care, and in return, they must follow rules set by Medicare. However, each plan can offer different benefits, costs, and rules about how you get your services. This means you have more choices and flexibility, but it's important to understand how each plan works before you enroll. Medicare Advantage plans include all the benefits from Part A, which covers hospital stays, and Part B, which covers doctor visits and outpatient care. So, you won't lose any of the basic protections you'd get from Original Medicare. In fact, these plans are required by law to provide at least the same level of coverage as Original Medicare, and many go above and beyond. Most Medicare Advantage plans also cover extra benefits, like dental, vision, and hearing. These are services that Original Medicare usually doesn't pay for, so having them included can be a big advantage. Some plans even offer wellness programs, gym memberships, transportation to medical appointments, and over-the-counter allowances for health products. These extra benefits can really add up and help you stay healthy and active. Many Medicare Advantage plans include prescription drug coverage too. This is called Medicare Advantage Prescription Drug Coverage, or MAPD. With these plans, you don't need to buy a separate Part D plan for your medications. This can make managing your healthcare simpler, since all your coverage is bundled together in one plan, with one card and one set of rules. You still pay your Part B premium, just like you would with Original Medicare, and you may also have to pay an additional premium for your Medicare Advantage plan. Each plan sets its own costs, so your monthly premium, co-payments, and out-of-pocket maximums can vary. Some plans have low or even $0 premiums, but it's important to look closely at what you'll pay for doctor visits, hospital stays, and other services. Costs and coverage can really vary by plan and location. Some plans may only be available in certain counties or states, and the network of doctors and hospitals you can use may be limited. That's why it's important to check if your preferred doctors, specialists, and hospitals are included in the plan's network before you sign up. Also, some plans require referrals to see specialists, while others let you go directly. You can only sign up for a Medicare Advantage plan at certain times of the year. The main time is during the annual enrollment period, which runs from October 15th to December 7th each year. There are also special enrollment periods if you move, lose other coverage, or have certain life changes. It's important to mark your calendar and review your options each year, because plans and benefits can change. It's important to compare plans in your area to make sure you choose one that fits your needs. Look at the costs, the extra benefits, the network of providers, and the prescription drug coverage. Don't be afraid to ask questions or get help from a licensed advisor. Taking the time to compare your options can help you find a plan that gives you the coverage, convenience, and peace of mind you deserve as you enjoy your retirement years. Medicare Part D helps pay for prescription drugs. These plans are offered by private companies approved by Medicare. You can add Part D to Original Medicare, which is Parts A and B. If you have a Medicare Advantage plan, it may already include drug coverage. Each plan covers different drugs, and they have a list called a formulary. Be sure your medicine is on the list before you pick a plan. You pay a monthly premium for Part D, plus a part of the drug cost each time you fill a prescription. Costs can be different for each plan, so shop carefully. Medicare is not free. Each part has its own costs. You may pay premiums, deductibles, co-payments, and coinsurance. Part A is free for most, but you pay if you stay in the hospital. Part B has a monthly premium and costs when you see the doctor. Part C, also called Medicare Advantage, costs depend on the plan you choose. Part D has a premium and drug costs. Some people qualify for programs that help pay Medicare costs. If you have a low income, check if you can get help. Always ask about costs before you get care. This helps you avoid surprises on your medical bills. Missing your first chance to sign up for Medicare can lead to penalties. Always mark your calendar so you enroll on time. If you skip Part B or Part D when you're first eligible, you may pay higher premiums later. Be sure to check if you need these parts. Some people keep working after age 65 and have other insurance. Talk to your benefits office to see how your job coverage works with Medicare. Review your plan every year. Your health needs and plan costs can change. You can switch plans during the yearly open enrollment from October 15th to December 7th. As you approach age 65, understanding Medicare becomes an important part of planning for your health and financial future. Medicare is a federal health insurance program designed to help cover many of your healthcare costs as you get older. It's there to support you so you can focus on enjoying life, spending time with loved ones, and staying active in your community. Medicare is made up of 4 main parts, each serving a different purpose. Part A covers hospital stays, skilled nursing facility care, hospice, and some home health care. This means if you ever need to be admitted to the hospital or require specialized care, Part A helps pay for those expenses. Part B is for medical insurance. It helps pay for doctor visits, outpatient care, preventive services like screenings and vaccines, and some home health care. Together, Parts A and B are often called Original Medicare. Part C, also known as Medicare Advantage, is an alternative to Original Medicare. These plans are offered by private insurance companies approved by Medicare. They often include extra benefits, such as vision, dental, hearing, and wellness programs, and may bundle prescription drug coverage as well. Part D is the prescription drug coverage part of Medicare. It helps pay for the medications your doctor prescribes, which can be a significant expense as you age. Choosing the right Part D plan can help you manage your medication costs and avoid unexpected bills. It's important to sign up for Medicare at the right time. If you miss your initial enrollment period, you could face late penalties that increase your costs for years to come. Mark your calendar and set reminders so you don't miss these important deadlines. When choosing your Medicare coverage, think about your current health needs, the doctors and hospitals you prefer, and your budget. Some people may benefit from the flexibility of Original Medicare, while others might prefer the extra benefits offered by Medicare Advantage plans. Take time to compare your options and pick the parts that fit your unique situation. Remember, your health needs can change from year to year. That's why it's a good idea to review your Medicare plan every year during the open enrollment period. This gives you a chance to make changes if your current plan no longer meets your needs or if you find a plan that offers better coverage or lower costs. If you have questions or need help understanding your options, you're not alone. You can call 1-800-MEDICARE to speak with a representative who can answer your questions, or visit www.Medicare.gov for detailed information, tools, and resources to help you make informed decisions. For personalized, local assistance, reach out to your state health insurance assistance program, or SHIP. SHIP counselors are trained to provide free, unbiased help with Medicare questions, plan comparisons, and enrollment. They can help you understand your choices and guide you through the paperwork, so you feel confident about your decisions. With the right information and support, you can get the care you need, protect your finances, and enjoy peace of mind. Don't hesitate to ask questions, seek advice, and take your time making decisions. Remember, Medicare is here to help you live your healthiest, happiest life, so reach out whenever you need a hand.